Let's go to tip 4, build the habit.
Well, this is, again, one of those practical realities. What often happens is people have these elaborate ideas of what they want to do with their mornings, but it doesn't fit with their lives and it doesn't actually fit with their motivations either. And so they've told themselves, well, everyone goes and does, an hour-long boot camp class in the morning if they want to be successful. And so I'm going to go do that. And you hate group fitness, like you hate people yelling at you. You're not going to stick with it. I mean, you might for the first week. But then something will happen, like, you'll get sick, for instance. And so you can't go for a couple days. And then after that, I'll be like, oh, well, my bed feels really good in the morning. And the one thing will lead to another. And after a while, it almost feels like even harder to start again. It would have been a lot better to choose something that, again, makes you excited to get out of bed, that you would truly want to do, and to start small enough that you can do it without feeling a whole lot of resistance, because that resistance is what is going to rear its head when things go wrong, and things will go wrong, because this is life. You'll get out of the routine for some reason. What's going to motivate you to get back in? And if you don't like your routine, you won't do it.